Today we are taking a look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I actually kind of picked this up on a whim today. I've got multiple different newer mirrorless cameras, and it doesn't seem to matter what I buy. I seem to be missing something, and I'm hoping that this will kind of plug a hole that I need plugged as far as equipment. So what I want this for, I've done a few videos where I've shown, my life out on the road, because I do a lot of work on the road during the week, and I'm finding myself really reluctant to do vlog type stuff, even though I go to lots of really cool places. I probably do, I mean, like 1,500 miles a week. I go all over the place. I see tons of cool stuff. Winter's coming, so we're going to see lots of mountains with snow on them and other, cool places with snowy scenes and stuff. I want to be able to just hop out of my car, put this thing up and say, hey, check out where I am, guys. This is where we are. And right now I can do that. I've got a Sony a7 III and I've got a Sony a7 R5. They're both great cameras. The a7 III, it would be extremely difficult. I'd probably have to get an external monitor so I can frame it right. With the a7 R5, it's an option, but then I have to either have a stick with the camera out. I mean, it's a big camera, so I got the camera out on a stick, or maybe in a gimbal or something like that, and it never seems to work. And then I'm also not really particularly thrilled with the quality of the front-facing camera on really any phone I've ever seen. They're not horrible. I mean, if I had no other option, I could certainly go that route, but then that's the same thing. I'd have to have it on a selfie stick or something and be holding it out, and this is the tool that's actually made for the job. Where is it in focus? I tried to set the focus up on the camera so it was on me. It was focusing all over, in and out. I wasn't thrilled with it, so I put a bunch of light on me. I've got a ton of light on me. I'm almost blinded with the amount of light that's on me. And then I'm trying to do it with just one. I've got the lens wide open, and then I'm trying to just have one focus point. So anyway, though, so let's pop this open. Actually, I walked into Best Buy today, and I walked up to the lady and I was like, hey, do you have this? She's like, she looked on, I think she's like, yeah. And I was like, darn it, now I gotta buy the thing. That's the only self-control I have now to buying new toys is whether or not they have it in stock. I got a killer deal on a gaming monitor earlier today, like a really nice gaming monitor. And the first thing I asked the guy was, do you still have this? And he's like, yeah. And after I talked to him for a while, I realized he wasn't a scammer. I was like, darn it, I was hoping you were a scammer, because now I gotta buy the thing. Okay, so let's open. Man, I meant to grab a knife. Do I have a knife sitting around here? I do not. Let's, maybe I can use this screw on the floor. Let's see if that works. It's gonna work. Come on. Oh, that's not working. It's not working the way I wanted. Can I get it to work? I'm trying not to destroy the box here either. Okay, let's try something else. What else do I have? Maybe this. Gosh darn it. Okay, this is actually pretty bad. Okay, let's do... Oh, it's got a little doohickey. I'm so dumb. It's got a thing you can pull in it. I've actually never seen one of those before on a package, so in my defense. Okay. What do we got? It's got one of these. I'll probably do a little look at my DJI mic that I got the other day, too. That's actually on me right here. It actually came with the same... DJI is really down on their little cases. Let's see here. I'm really hoping I use this a lot, because this dang thing was expensive. Like, I was... Oh, nice, look at that. It's got a little screen. I probably should have bought a screen. I think you can buy screen protectors for these. It's got the mic. So I now have 3 of these things. I looked at buying the DJI Mic 2, or I'm sorry, I looked at buying this without the creator bundle, but I wanted everything except this. But it wasn't like I could save the $100 that this was worth. It looked like it was going to be the same or more expensive to just buy it without this. I was like, I don't need a third one, but I might as well have a third one. I may sell it to a friend. I don't know yet. Okay, so that's our little wide angle. Is that my wide angle? I think it only has one lens. I think that's the wide angle. What do we got? More USB-C cables. Actually, I needed a good short one, so that goes with the microphone. It's your little, you see those little poofy things people have on top of their mics outside? That's this. What else we got here? We got the, oh, it's got both of them in there. Oh, this actually does hold everything. Okay, nice. So it's got, so among the things I wanted, again, when I'm in the hotel room, I can put my phone on a mount, but then I also have to bring, to use the high quality camera, I have to bring in, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I can actually output live view out of it, but I still have to bring the stuff to do that with. So this I'm hoping will give me the ability to just set it on the hotel desk and do videos. Yeah, oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, so, and I think you can screw, oh, you can't. Oh, that's interesting. I thought you could screw directly to the bottom. So you have to use this. And that's actually a little disappointing because I'm not thrilled. Oh, okay, so it does have, I was wondering how this actually locked in place. That's not horrible. I mean, it could be better, but. Okay, how does it should unlock by clicking. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, that, okay. I didn't break that. When mounting, insert the battery handle into Osmo 3 without holding the release button when detached. Without holding the release button. No, really. Okay. That's good to know. Okay, so. Let's see, was that in? Okay, so that was in there. I think this was supposed to come with a little protective case. Yeah, it does. Okay, so that's that. Do we have something else here? That is a... Everyone's always talking about waste. That was waste. So supposedly it's got... Oh! Okay, so it's got little thingies for the little thingies. Oh, this is kind of adorable. Now I know why everyone has one of these. Like I said, I really hope I use this a lot because the sucker was expensive. Okay, so I'm going to guess... Let's see. Rotate screen to power on? Oh, okay. Does it have a power button? It's got a record button. I guess I should probably... Da-da-da-da-da, rotate screen, shutter button. Press once. Power on. Press and hold, power off. Okay, that's what I was thinking. Yes, English. What is this? Scan the QR code to download. I was hoping I didn't have to do that. They're going to make you use the... Let's see here. Swipe from right edge to change image and audio parameters. Okay. Tap to switch shooting modes. I was kind of going to shoot 4K. Oops. Does it? Okay, so just automatically. I'm going to guess. Okay, so how do you... Oh, okay, so you have to just... No? Okay, there's got to be a quicker way. Maybe there isn't. Interesting. Seems like a cool little gadget. Dang, this thing was expensive. I looked at going with another, a more vlog-style Sony. This is cool. I looked at going with another vlog-style Sony camera, and I just... okay. So I wonder how you change. Oops, no, I don't want to do photo. Panorama? Oh, that's okay, that's odd. Video, okay. Oh, okay, it's got a little... I have no idea how to use this thing. Got no SIM card. How do you change? That's kind of cool. This has a ton of little things. And this is one of those things where multiple things do, where a bunch of the buttons do multiple things depending on how you hit them. So this is going to be kind of a pain. Okay, so that's how you do that. Okay. Okay. Guess I got to put a memory card in. I think I have one sitting around here somewhere. I ordered a big memory card. I ordered a 512 gig V30 off Amazon there. Oops, it doesn't like that. I forgot about that. My other gimbal's that way too. Recentered, okay. It doesn't like anything touching it. Okay, let's try popping this in. You mean not supported? Okay, so how do you even... Okay. No, I was popping it in right. How do you get it to stay in? It won't stay in. What the heck? That's pretty far. That's like really far. I'll try this. How do you get the damn thing to stay in? That cannot be supposed to be that way. Trying to think. Let's try turning it off first. Okay, so how big of fingernails do they think I have? Okay, there we go. That's a really, nobody talked about that. I can't believe no one else had an issue with that. Yeah, so you got to push it. The recess is really far, so I hope I don't have to constantly take that out, because that could be a pain. Okay, so flip it again and it turns it on. Okay. So then the question is, how do you... Okay, battery life. I'm a little confused as to how you change the... I'll have to Google it. I don't want to waste all you guys' time, but anyway, so that's kind of a cool little thing. You guys should start seeing me doing a little bit more personal stuff when I'm on the road with this. We'll see how well it works. So, oops, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to zoom. Let's do that. Okay, start. Oh, okay, there we go. Anyway, yeah, so you get a nice case, you get a microphone, but I'll be honest, this sucker was $700, I think with tax and everything, it was like $750, which, I mean, that is a lot of money for what it was. I better use this thing. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, hit the do all the YouTube stuff. I'm not gonna sit here and rant on that. I can't stand people that do that. So do the YouTube stuff if you're liking some of this new stuff I'm doing. Anyway, thanks for watching the video.